Your class project will be to draw a sheep or a llama, but you can draw both. I will guide you through all the steps, from the basic shape, through shading and texture, to details that will make your work more attractive. I will clearly explain to you how to achieve the desired effect, how to make the image coherent and full of life. Since the first design is very simple, we will not use a reference photo. It is about drawing simple forms. It is only for the second project that you can download the cheat sheet I have prepared for you, as well as the color palette. But these designs assume a minimum number of colors, so you can use the color that your intuition tells you. Don't be afraid that it's not for you, that the difficulty level will exceed you. It's easier than you think, especially with the exact instructions that you will follow as you draw step by step with me. First, I'd like to remember that this design doesn't have to be perfect. It's about a very loose style and having a good time. It's important that you feel more confident working with these brushes and animals' proportions.